The third case for the discussion of the calculation of the particular integral. What does case number 3 says that? Case number 3 says that if RHS, that is f of n, is n to the power p, you can directly parallelly compare what you have discussed in differential equation particular integral cases, and this is a situation wherein we have difference equation. In differential equation, it was cos theta sin theta, where d square was replaced by minus a square. Third case in the differential equation was x to the power m, which is polynomial in x. So in this case, if RHS is f of n is equal to n to the power p, I can call it as polynomial in p. But मुझे पता है कि इन डिफरेंस इक्वेशन पॉलिनोमियल डायरेक्टली या सिंपली कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते unless and until it is converted to the factorial polynomial. So in the calculation of case number 3, where RHS of the given difference equation f of n is n to the power p, पहला काम आपको जो करना है वो क्या है? pi is equal to 1 upon phi of e to be operated on n to the power p. This is the definition. This e is to be substituted as 1 plus delta. Whenever this e is substituted as 1 plus delta, this can be written as phi of 1 plus delta into n to the power p. Take this to the numerator by raising the power as minus 1. So we get phi of 1 plus delta raised to power minus 1 to be operated on n to the power p. Now, initially, we have discussed that delta is nothing but forward difference operator. Delta is analogous to the derivative. And when this delta is operated on n to the power p, that n to the power p should not be simply a polynomial. It should be a factorial polynomial. क्योंकि डेल्टा या 1 by डेल्टा एक्ट करता है फैक्टोरियल पॉलिनोमियल पे. Therefore, यहां पर क्या लिखा है? Express n to the power p in the factorial notation and expand phi of 1 plus delta to the power minus 1 in ascending powers of delta up to the term containing delta to the power p by binomial theory, and operate on n to the power p with each term of expansion. Now tell me, if the polynomial is having degree as 3, how many terms of derivative will exist? 3 terms of derivative will be existing, right? So delta का भी expansion कहां तक करना है? Till the degree of the factorial polynomial. If the degree of the factorial polynomial is p, you have to expand it till the power of delta as p. So it will be containing the term delta to the power p. Now you know the binomial expansion. 1 plus x to the power minus 1 is written as 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and so on. 1 minus x to the power minus 1 is written as 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. So this is how we try to simplify this case by converting the RHS polynomial into the factorial notation, expand by using the binomial theory or binomial expansion the term 1 plus delta to the power minus 1, right? Because e will be replaced as 1 plus delta in the denominator, and then use the binomial expansion. Expansion will be written till that term the degree of the polynomial is existing. So delta to the power p तक expansion लिखा जाएगा because factorial polynomial का degree है p, and we know how the simple polynomial is converted to the factorial polynomial, right? So accordingly we will be getting down the answer. The next case, the last case, is case number 4. What does this case number 4 says? That if f of n is a to the power n into capital F of n, प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में है, where f of n is polynomial, means case number 3 जैसा होगा. Case number 3 says that RHS is a polynomial in n. So here it is product. f of n is a to the power n into f of n. What is a to the power n के साथ multiplication में? It is polynomial. So 1 upon phi of e into f of n, it is written as 1 upon phi of e into a to the power n into polynomial. a to the power n को बाहर निकालो, e को replace करो ae से, to be operated on f of n. a क्या रहेगा? a will be any constant term and proceed as in earlier case. So a to the power n into f of n में a is constant, replace e by ae and then operate it on the polynomial. Proceed as in earlier case, that is case number 3. So this is how